So you're looking for affiliate marketing programs in the network marketing space. Well, I've got some good news for you today, my friend, because today I'm going to share with you an affiliate program that I'm using in my business. And this affiliate program has allowed me to earn over $350,000 just on the side, outside of my network marketing company, outside of, any of my courses that I create or my affiliate programs that I personally create. Outside of that, this program will help, so stay tuned. Hey there, my name is Lisa Torres from LisaTorresSpeaks.com, and again, I'm going to share with you an affiliate marketing program that I have been using inside of my business to generate leads and sales. Now, here's the thing. If you are in network marketing, beautiful. Congratulations to our wonderful industry. But here's the thing, as you're going out there and you're speaking with people on social media, or if you're doing marketing, on your own and maybe even generating your own capture pages and you're building your own list and all that fancy bells and whistles stuff, all of that stuff is beautiful. But here's the thing. You're going to run into people, whether it's chatting with people on Facebook, or maybe you're running a Facebook ad and people are seeing your ad and they're going through your funnels and they're being exposed to your biz op or your product at the end of that funnel. What's going to happen is you are going to run into people who are not interested. It's just the name of the game. It's just the way it is. You're just going to run into people who are going to see your product, or they're going to see your service, or they're going to see your business opportunity, and they're going to think to themselves, this is not for me. This is not something that I am interested in. So what do you do at that point? So the reason why I was able to make over $350,000 just with this one affiliate program was because, and this was before anyone even joined any of my businesses that I have going on. I was able to do that. And the reason why is because, regardless if, people want to join you or not, you have to have some kind of, think of it as you have a basket, right? And you only have one egg in it, okay? And let's just say that egg contains, $1 million, okay? That egg in that basket contains $1 million. But what happens if that egg breaks and somebody comes and steals that money, right? And it's gone forever, okay? And that can very well happen in network marketing. But here's the thing. If you had an entire basket with, a whole bunch of eggs in there, and I want you to think about those eggs as affiliate marketing programs, okay? But if you had a whole bunch of eggs and one of them breaks, and somebody comes and snatches the money because the money is exposed because the egg broke, then you have all of these other eggs in this basket filled with money. So it's not going to make or break, you, okay? It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to, devastate your whole entire world and turn your world upside down. It's not going to do that. Why? Because it's called multiple income streams. And that's what I love about affiliate programs, is it allows you to have multiple income streams. So let me paint this picture for you. Let's say that you are out there in internet land, and let's say we'll use Facebook as an example. So let's say you are doing your do on Facebook and you're networking with people and you're prospecting people on Facebook. Let's just say that that prospect is not interested in your product. They're not interested in your business opportunity, right? What do you do at that point? Do you just let them walk away and slide away? No, okay? What you do is you offer them something else that they can actually benefit from. So systems, tools, training, right? They may not be a good fit for your business. They may not be interested in your business, or maybe you found out that they're already in your business. What do you do with those people is the question. And that's where affiliate marketing programs come into play. I want you to think of affiliate marketing programs as kind of your back end goodies, okay? Your toolbox, okay? You don't just have a hammer in your toolbox, right? If you were a handyman, for example, right? And somebody hired you to come and fix something in their house, okay? And you come with a toolbox, and the only thing that you have in the toolbox is a hammer, but that hammer is not going to, you need other tools in order to be able to fix that thing that somebody hired you for. The hammer is not going to do the job, okay? But if you had a toolbox and you had the hammer and the drill and the nails and the this and the that, then you're well equipped to serve that person that came to you for help. So I want you to think of your business just like that. I want you to envision yourself as the handyman, or the person that is, you're going out there with the intention to help people. Okay, that's your intention. Your intention is to help people. So if you're having a conversation, let's say, for example, with someone on Facebook or Instagram or wherever online, and you're prospecting them, and you find out they're not interested in that thing that you have to offer, whatever it is, your product, your service, your business opportunity, whatever it is, they're not interested. So what do? You offer them, first of all, you find out what it is that they're struggling with, and then you offer them a solution. And that's what I love about the affiliate program that I'm involved in, called MLSP. And I'm going to put a link down to it below so that you can go and check it out, or you can actually go to this link right here and go watch that next video so you can learn a little bit more about what MLSP is. And this is actually the program that I used to make over $350,000 on the front end before anyone even joined my businesses or bought any of my products. And you can actually use the system too, because the system was actually created by network marketers for network marketers. Okay, so we teach you, we're basically a training community with built-in tools to help you grow your business on the internet. And so when I say built-in tools, I'm talking about, we have a blog for you to plug in. And see, here's the thing. If you wanted to create your blog and hire somebody to manage that blog for you, you're going to be spending a pretty penny. I'm talking about thousands and thousands of dollars over time just to hire somebody. But guess what? It's included. You have something going wrong with your blog. It's a WordPress blog. If you have something going on with it, you contact support and they'll help you out. Another thing is that we have a CRM tool, a customer relationship management tool. If you are going out there building your list, and hopefully you are, and if you're not, we have the training to help you do that. And I'll talk about that in just a second. But, the customer relationship management tool is going to help you, just track your leads that are coming in, and it's going to help you to manage your leads. So you can type in notes, you can put like little stars, and you could just do like a whole bunch of things, with your prospects in the customer management relationship tool, the customer relationship management. Yes, CRM. Okay, so we have the CRM. The next tool that we have is done for you lead magnets. Okay, so if you're not a non-techie person and you don't know how to create your own capture pages or your own, tripwires, or your own courses or anything like that, guess what? We've got you covered. Because inside of our community, we have a whole bunch of different affiliate programs that you can actually go out there and share with people. We have a whole bunch of different funnels that are coded to you so that if somebody goes and makes a sale, you make the commission. So think of it like this. It's training, it's systems, it's tools, all under one umbrella. So that all you have to do is go out there and focus on getting traffic to it. And one of the ways for getting traffic to the system is like what I'm doing right now, doing YouTube videos, and we'll teach you exactly how to do that. If you don't want to do videos, maybe you want to do screen videos. Maybe you don't like talking head videos like this. You can do screen share videos. You can do, Twitter. We'll teach you how to do Instagram. We'll teach you how to do, how to work Facebook. We're going to teach you, whatever it is that you want to learn, we have that training on. So whatever, with strategy or anything like that you are struggling with right now, and you want to learn how to take it from where you are right now to actually start getting results, we have that training inside of our community. We've been doing a weekly webinar every single Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern time. And what we do is we bring on leaders, people that are going out into the field, network marketers and affiliate marketers just like you and I, who are going out into the field, getting results, and we're coming back bringing you the information and saying, this is what's working now. Come and look what I'm doing on our Wednesday night webinar so that you can go and implement it yourself. Okay, so that's the beauty about our system. So not only is it a training community, it's a leadership factory. It has the tools, it has the system, it has the community of a whole bunch of different network marketers in various different companies helping you win. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a beautiful thing. And then on top of all of that, it's kind of like the cherry on the cake, is that we have an amazing affiliate program that pays you up to 50% commissions depending on your rank level. And we actually teach you the strategies that you need in order to rank advance. So if we help you rank advance in our system, you can actually take those skill sets and apply them to your network marketing company or other affiliate marketing programs. Or maybe you're doing your own coaching programs, or maybe you're creating your own courses. Or your own affiliate programs, or your own group coaching program, or whatever it is. We're going to teach you the skill sets to use or to utilize in other niches as well, and in other things that you have going on. So with that being said, if you want to check out MLSP and you're going to see exactly how the system works and everything that is involved, then go ahead and go to this link right here. It's LisaTorresSpeaks.com/pro, or you can click the link right below this video. And make sure that you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing many, many, many more of these videos, these informational videos, these how-to videos to help you win inside of your business. So go ahead and subscribe now. The link, the button is here somewhere right now. And I will see you on the inside. Take care.